I got this really nice 7-in-1 multifunctional solar connector right here. So we'll hook this onto our solar panels here. We're gonna plug it into our portable generator power bank to test it out and see just how good this works. So 7 different adapters here. They all work for different devices. So we're gonna test it out here. So yeah, really safe, really strong, durable construction. So let's build with 12 and 14 AWG copper wire. So it's going to be really durable and low energy loss with these. Here's your 2 adapter connectors here. So you got the male side and the female side. We got our solar panel right here. All right, so here you can see how easy setup is. So you're just going to take your 2 connectors and just plugs in here. This side plugs in here. And just like that, you're ready to go. All right, so we got this all hooked up here. Then we're just going to take our power bank here and you just take your adapter and it plugs right in. And just like that, you can see we are up and charging. And you get just lots of energy from your panels here going into your box right here. So this is super awesome. Works really good. Really high quality cable here. Definitely easy to use. I like how it's 7 different connectors. So it's going to work for Ecoflow, Jackery, Go Zero, your RVs, and just most any other solar generator that you have like this one. It works great for it. Right, so here you can see it's all plugged in. And just that we're charging there really good. 37 watts going into this. So yeah, so it's definitely going through that cord there, working really well. Okay, so here are your 7 different connectors right here. So all the different ones that you got. So it's going to work for pretty much anything you need.